Hi children, very good morning. Welcome back to the English class. Today I am going to discuss with you possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns indicates possession. Okay, we can see here different pronouns: mine, yours, theirs, ours, his, hers, its. Okay, what it refers to? The possessive pronouns indicates possession. Possession means it's mine, it's yours, it's theirs, it is ours, it is his, it is hers, it is its. Let us see now some examples. Okay, this pen is mine. See, sometimes students, you may be in the classroom, sometime your friend has taken your pen and you found that it is your pen. Okay, then you say to him, this is my pen, so this pen is mine. So like that we use in the in our classrooms. Next example, that cap is ours, that cap is ours. Next example, that bag is theirs, that bag is theirs. Next example, that storybook is hers, that storybook is hers. This house is his, this house is his. Next example, is that car yours, is that car yours? So, my dear students, we have seen in all these examples, these are the words, okay? Mine, yours, this, ours, theirs, hers, his, okay? So, I have shown you the examples and we have seen these words, yes or no, student? So, all these are possessive pronouns that shows who they are and what wants something, okay? So it is called possessive pronouns. Let us understand the definition of possessive pronouns. A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that replaces a possessive noun and shows membership. Okay? A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that replaces a possessive noun and shows membership. So let us understand the table here. It's very important we should know how these pronouns are changed into possessive pronouns. So my dear student, here I have given you a table. See here, we can understand. One second. See here, we have first person, second person, and third person. Okay. So first person means I, second person you, third person he, she, it. Okay. How these persons changed into singular number to plural number. So when I use first person I, okay, in singular number, object pronoun becomes me, becomes mine, okay, in the possessive pronoun. So same way, I, okay, in the plural number, objective pronoun us, okay, it becomes ours. Possessive pronoun is ours. So in the second person, just understand students, this table is very, very important. Okay. We should know how these pronouns are changing from singular number to plural number. Okay. So we must understand this table very clearly. So there are three persons. Once again, I'm telling you, there are three persons. Okay. First person I, second person you, and third person he, she, it. Okay. So a possessive pronoun is a pronoun that replaces a possessive noun. Okay. Possessive noun. And it shows membership or ownership. It shows numbers are ownership. So let us see how these three persons becomes possessive pronoun from object pronoun. Okay, from object pronoun. Okay, and the first person I, when it becomes, okay, it becomes the object pronoun. okay, me, and changed into mine, okay, changed into mine in possessive pronoun, in possessive pronoun, and in plural it becomes ours. So for example, I can say this is my pen, okay, whose pen is this? It is mine, it is ours, okay, understand? So here the second person, you, okay, the person spoken to, you are speaking to somebody. Okay, in the first person we have to say, I am talking to myself. Okay, I am talking to myself. The person speaking to us, or he is speaking to me. Okay, so in the second person, you, the person spoken to somebody. Okay, so it means the person spoken to somebody. Okay, for example, this pen is yours, okay, this pen is yours. So you is used as singular as well as plural, okay. So you becomes, in singular we can use as well as plural, okay. So objective pronoun you becomes yours in possessive pronouns. Next one, third person, he, she, it. Okay, speaking about the other person. So more than two, three people, we can say. And here the objective pronouns are him, her, it. Okay, and the objective pronouns him, her, it becomes his, hers, its in a possessive pronoun. Okay, here he refers to masculine gender. She refers to feminine gender. Okay, so it's okay. It's derived from the objective pronoun its. Okay, so here his and hers is derived from the masculine gender him. His is derived from masculine gender he, and hers is derived from her. Okay, and objective pronoun them. Okay, they themselves. We say they them. Okay, they. So in the objective pronoun them, theirs becomes a possessive pronoun. So theirs is derived from them. Okay, pronoun. Okay, objective pronoun, plural number. So they is referred as plural. Okay, the word they. Okay, they is referred as plural. Okay, so then there is derived from them. Okay, theirs is derived from them. So they is used as plural number. Okay, they is used as plural number. So they is used for more than two or more persons. Okay, so my dear students, we should follow and understand the table very clearly. Okay, then only you will be able to change or use these possessive pronouns in the sentences. One second. So students, you can see here some words. Okay, yours, theirs, hers, its, hers. Here you can see boys, girls, so on. So what did you observe here? Yours. No, there is no apostrophe here. Okay, there is no apostrophe. Let me take the pen. So here, yours, theirs, hers, its, hers. These are the possessive pronouns. These are the possessive pronouns. So boys, girls, so hums. There is a apostrophe here, but here we don't have any apostrophes. Okay, so boys, girls, so hums. Okay, these are the possessive nouns. Okay, they are possessive nouns. That's why we use apostrophe. But whereas in possessive pronouns, we don't use apostrophe. We don't use apostrophe. You understood now? So here you can see example. This pen is hers. This pen is her. Is it correct sentence, my dear students? Is it correct? No, it is not correct. Second example, you see, this pen is hers. Is it correct sentence? Yes. So this is correct sentence. This is wrong. So this pen is hers. Here we should not use any apostrophe. See here we did not use any apostrophe. So in possessive pronouns we should not use apostrophe. In possessive pronouns we should not use apostrophe. So this pen is hers. So here there is no apostrophe. Only apostrophe is used in possessive nouns. My students, let us see some examples here. I have given you first example. Whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? Okay. If I ask you a question, what would you say? Okay, this is my pen or it is mine. What do you say? It is mine. So it is my pen or it is mine. So mine indicates possession. Mine indicates possession. So mine. Okay, mine indicates possession. Whose pen is this? It is mine. So when you say it is mine, it belongs to me. Okay, the pen belongs to me. Second example, this house is yours. This house is yours. So what is the possessive pronoun here? Yours is a possessive pronoun. So your house. Okay, it is your house. So this house is yours. This house is yours. So yours is used to indicate that something belongs to you. Okay, yours is indicated that something belongs to you. So this is your house. So it indicates that house is belonging to you. Third example, that car is ours. What is the possessive pronoun here? Ours. Okay, possessive pronoun is ours. So whose car is this? So what is possessive pronoun here? Ours. Okay, ours. So that means we can that means the car is belonging to me or the car belongs to us or the car is ours. So it indicates, okay, it indicates belongingness. It indicates the belonging or possession. So the car, that car is ours. So ours is the possessive pronoun in this example. So my dear students, very important rule you should understand. Okay, possessive pronouns do not come before a noun. Possessive pronouns do not come before a noun. I have given you here one example. This is Soham's pen. This is Soham's pen. So in this sentence, we don't find any possessive pronoun. Can you find here? No. So, but here we have used, okay, Soham's pen. Whose pen is this? Soham's. So apostrophe is used, okay, after the name Soham's. Okay, it is called possessive nouns. Okay, but here is a noun. Pen is a noun, but there is no, okay, there is no possessive pronoun before pen. In the second sentence, you observe here, this pen is hers. This pen is hers. What is the possessive pronoun here? Hers. The pen belongs to her. The pen belongs to her. So, can you see a noun after hers? No. Can you see a noun before hers? No. So, we have to remember very clearly, possessive pronoun do not come before a noun. Hope that this video helped you to understand about possessive pronouns. So, my dear students, you have exercise in the textbook, page number 19 and 20. Okay, complete these sentences using suitable possessive pronouns. Okay, So there are 6 examples. You can go through the video and you can understand and complete the exercises. Okay. So one example I'm saying from your textbook, page number 20. This house belongs to us. Okay, it is ours. So the house belongs to us. It is ours. So my dear students, you have to understand the table. Okay, I have showed you already the table. So follow the table, then you are able to change the pronouns, okay, into possessive uh, pronouns. Thank you very much.